Here's the latest on Xtalks.com. Chef Avenue is a Silicon Valley-based cookware company that started a Kickstarter on April 6th for their product called Omnipan, which has made over $200,000 in just over 2 weeks. In fact, they were fully funded 5 hours after their launch. Hello, I'm Mira Nabulsi, multimedia editor and webinar moderator for Xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is GFSI and the Compliance Challenge for Food Safety. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. Omnipan is an all-in-one cookware product that allows you to prep, cook, bake, and steam your meals in the same patent-pending technology pan. The product is food-grade, non-stick, chemical-free, and made of a high-performance FDA-approved silicone material. Seema Shenoy is the founder and CEO of Chef Avenue. She was inspired to create a product that is so versatile. Her inspiration also came from her son and his friends' cooking and eating habits. It painted a perfect picture of what millennials needed and wanted. She thought of ways to use a pan that eliminated unnecessary steps in the kitchen without compromising on delicious and healthy ways to make food. When looking at Omnipan's design, the company advertises their ability to be used in multiple settings and spaces. Omnipan's design has the ideal dimensions for browning and cooking food evenly in an oven. It comes in 2 sets with 3 different sizes, each of which has a transparent lid that can be used to store fresh food in the fridge. Shenoy promises Omnipan is only the beginning and fans should keep an eye out for more modern and accessible cookware. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured food webinar for this episode, GFSI and the Compliance Challenge for Food Safety. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.